Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and today we're going to be addressing a topic that is important most all year round, and that's how to deal with roadways and large farm equipment. And we just want to make sure to keep everybody safe on the roads. So the main message is don't scroll, don't speed, and give farmers the space they need. We appreciate the Warren County Ag Foundation and the Ag Awareness Committee for putting this video together. If you have questions, make sure to contact us at the Extension office.
March through November is prime farming season in Kentucky. Our farmers are working hard to feed our communities, but with large, slow-moving equipment on rural roads, safety becomes everyone's responsibility. Farm equipment often travels between 10 and 15 miles per hour. If you're driving 55, you can close a 100-yard gap in 5 seconds. That's barely enough time to react, especially if you're distracted. Distraction is one of the leading causes of farm equipment collisions in Kentucky alone. Over 70 accidents last year were caused by distracted driving.
According to the Department of Transportation, in 2023, there were 206 accidents in Kentucky involving farm equipment. 5 of them were fatal, and 44 caused injury. These numbers are scary, and we can all do better. Let's work together to keep everyone safe. Several years ago, my husband was traveling between our farms in the middle of the day. He was less than 800 feet from his turn, but in an instant, he was hit. A van struck the rear of the tractor, throwing him from his seat, spinning the tractor completely around and propelling a 7,000-pound tractor 400 feet. The accident totaled both the tractor and the van, but thankfully, after a trip to the hospital, no one suffered major injuries. That moment could have been a tragedy, but it's not just about my family, it's about all of us. Farmers have an incredibly tough job, filled with stress and unpredictability. When they're on the road, they need space and your attention. So please, don't scroll, don't speed, and give farmers the room they need. Let's all get home safely to our loved ones.
Here's how you can help keep Kentucky's roads safe. Stay alert. Avoid distractions like phones. Slow down. Reduce speed when you see farm equipment. Share the road. Be patient. Let's work together to protect our farmers, our families, and our roads. And remember, don't scroll, don't speed, and give farm vehicles the space they need.
Hello, it's Brett Hightower, Warren County Sheriff. It's fall, you all, and it's time for harvest season. We're asking for you all to ensure you're watching out and being safe. If you see large farm equipment coming towards you, slow down, move over as far as possible, and let them pass. Most of these accidents happen in daylight and on dry roads. These accidents are preventable. If you identify an escort vehicle with flashing lights and slow-moving equipment, we ask you to pull off onto the shoulder of the road or find the next available driveway you can safely pull into. This will allow that equipment to safely pass by you, and you can then be on your way. Don't scroll, don't speed, and give the farmers the space they need.
4 generations of my family farm together, and during planting and harvest seasons, we are often on the roadways with very large equipment. Thank you for slowing down and getting my family home safe.
On the roadways, watch out for orange slow-moving vehicle signs. Sometimes farm equipment travels with a front or rear escort vehicle to help you notice it sooner. If you see flashing lights, please slow down and stay alert. Move to a safe spot if needed. Your patience helps keep everyone safe.
Thank you for bringing my Uncle Judy home safe. Thank you for bringing my daddy home safe.
Your patience keeps me and my farm friends safe.
Thank you for getting my dad home safe.
Thank you for keeping me and my farm friends safe.
Thank you for bringing my dad home safely.